Hey guys, it's Marilla from Affiliate on the Line, and today I'm going to show you guys my entire affiliate marketing system and how you can implement that into your affiliate marketing business. So let's get straight to it. So, first, this is my whole system right here. There you go. Bam. You can leave the video right now. I'm kidding. Not right now. So as you can see, this is my affiliate marketing business. This whole thing right here, it's a summary of everything that I have. So in this left side here, you can see my traffic sources. These are the four that I'm really putting a lot of energy on, which is Discord, YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest. And you can see that also TikTok is the biggest circle of them all. And well, that is because TikTok is the one that gets me the most leads currently. It's the one that I'm getting crazy views. Pinterest is also pretty good also. And this, of course, is my first YouTube video, so essentially TikTok, it goes straight to my opt-in page, and not only that, it brings them to my YouTube page, which is where I deliver them massive value. And then from my YouTube, I also deliver them to my Discord and my opt-in page. We're gonna talk about Discord in a bit. Pinterest, it serves only as a traffic source, so it only goes to my opt-in page, my website. Instagram, you can see that it only goes to my opt-in page. However, I gotta say, Instagram haven't been putting a lot of time into that. I'm mostly focusing on those four first. When I get a good understanding of those four, that's when I will go to Instagram. This board is just a website for thousands of Discord servers, and then I just promote my Discord server there so I can get essentially free traffic to my Discord community. Now, affiliate marketing business, one thing I want to say that right off the bat, is just a starting point. Let me actually change. Now I just want to say this, that affiliate marketing is just a starting point for you. You will never, at some point, you will stop doing affiliate marketing to have your own digital product. Because realistically, you're just never going to have that perfect 100% how you want a product. That doesn't exist. Because you're relying on other people to create a product for you, and that's good at first, but at some point you gotta have your own. So as you're starting out, yes, you're only focusing really on your traffic sources. But as you get more into it, as you learn more about it, like 1 year maybe from now, you're gonna have to create your own digital product. As you build your brand, that is when you have some good awareness, and then bam, you're gonna pop up, yo, here's my digital course, my course, not someone else's, my course. So right here on the side, you can see there's the opt-in page, bridge page. After you're done with your opt-in page, bridge page, and the email marketing, we're gonna get onto this later, and the backend offers, you're pretty much done. All you have to do is just bring in traffic source to these pages. So your opt-in page is really easy. All you need is a lead magnet, which lead magnet is just a fancy word for why they're gonna put their emails in. So it could be an ebook, it could be just a course that you're offering, which is my case currently. And then they put their emails, they enter your email list. Now look, they can go through the actual thing and go to the bridge page, which is where you put, essentially you're saying, oh look, this is my mentor, this is the course that I promote. So in the next page you're going to be taken to, well, the course, and then your call to action. That's your call to action essentially. And then they go to the sales page. The problem is, a lot of the times people don't buy instantly. People need an average 7 to 12 touch points before buying something. 7 to 12. So that means you need to show them the product 7 to 12 times before they actually purchase that product. So most of the times they're not gonna buy right here. They're not, just not gonna. So that is where your email marketing campaign comes in. And this is why I have 7 of these icons right here. You need to email them massive value. You have to focus on value. And then of course you're going to be like, oh yeah, check out this course, check out this. And this is also where the backend offers come into play. You're gonna be like, oh, but do remember that these backend offers, they have to be related to the sales page or to the thing that they put their emails in. So let's say, I don't know, let's say it's how to get better at soccer. It was a course you were promoting. So the backend offer, it can't be like how to make money in 2021. That doesn't add up. Like, what are you talking about? I didn't sign up for this. The backend offer, assuming you're promoting a soccer course, has to be something like, I don't know, maybe a ball that tracks your metrics, like how fast you're shooting, or maybe one of those things where you put them in your chest and it tracks your heartbeat, it tracks how fast you were going, it tracks, I don't know, how much miles you ran. It has to relate to the opt-in, it has to relate why they put their email there. And then, like I said, after you're done with the opt-in page, the bridge page, and the email, you're mostly done. All you have to do is just bring traffic. And as you get better at bringing in traffic, it's like you can do it a lot of the times less than 8 hours a day. So you're working way less because everything else is mostly automated. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You just, because the sales page and the upsell, it's not for you now. It's not for you to worry about now. Now, of course, like I said, at some point you're gonna have to bring in your own digital product to market. But this is like your first year, sometimes 2 years. It depends on how fast you're going. That is. But yeah, then all you have to do is bring the traffic. That's it. You're pretty much done. And that's pretty much my system in a nutshell. That's how I use them. If you have any questions about this video, just let me know in the comments below. I'll get to them as soon as possible. And well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, any questions, comment down below. Subscribe, like this video for the algorithm, please. Remember to follow all my socials down below. And I'm also doing a Discord coaching program where I'm going to be coaching 10 people how to kickstart the affiliate marketing business. We're going to have coaching live. We're going to have coaching calls one-on-one. So if you're interested, link is down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.